Today we're here at Fire Station 11. We're preparing to give out approximately 3,000 to 4,000 toys to over 55 schools, shelters, and nonprofits throughout Fairfax County. We're giving out gifts for kids as small as 4 to 6 years old or as old as 13 to 15 years old, boys and girls. Variety of toys, bikes, scooters, dolls, remote control cars, sports equipment. We want the kids outside playing, so we have soccer ball, basketballs, footballs, things of that nature. And we all need help sometime. So we just want to make sure when the kids wake up on December 25th that they have something underneath the tree. Most of the schools that we're helping, they're Title I schools where 35% or more of the kids are on free lunch. So we knew that that was a big need for those schools. So that's why we're here doing what we're doing today.
Any type of event that they need as far as giving back to the community, it's not just going out and fighting fires and providing medical service, it's actually providing infrastructure within the community and helping kids and families smile and try to have a great holiday season.
When we're not running 911 emergencies, we're trying to find other ways to help our community. With the support of our volunteers and the local citizens, we'll continue doing this. We're not going to let a pandemic slow us down. We understand that teamwork makes the dream work.